shit there. A real foul. I ain't gonna see that. My eyes straight into see that. I feel like a monkey boy. That looking like he's standing up on two back foot. What's he walking going there? He walking away from me.
What's your head?
Oh shit, sorry there, sorry there. We touched down. Let me see how this gonna go. Whew. Another overnight in the bush. Alright, we land. Real clear. Real. Thanks. Wait. Real walk mau. Wait, sir. The real clear. The real walk. We are real material to move to. Real walk take place. They came up a couple of times without me. I was unavailable and they come and clear some trees. But he was telling me I wouldn't believe how open the place looking now, but wow. Looking nice. Seeing that big stump there. A big stump speaking to me. Alright, check back in. Yeah, now he go with it. Let me take a walk. Do not fall. Water level look like it reach up there. We had some bad weather past few days. Maybe 3-4 days heavy rain. When I say rain, heavy rain. And this is where the water level reach. And looking like now all here. Yeah, water level. See the line there. It reach about with that tree line right now. Forget that. Wow. The real clear boy. I see enough foundation here already. Oh, look at this. Who's you saw this? You pretty, you well pretty. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, my cutlass. Oh, sitting on it. Oh, alright. I ain't going across. Let me see.
You know why you can't find it?
You set it like a post.
No.
Yeah, that's the trouble there.
For breeze not to blow it,
Mm-hmm.
to put the fire.
Yeah. I just normal rotten and thing it out. Maybe I'll be.
No, nothing coming. I'm watching for shit.
Alright, well, we had us a very productive day as far as clearing and sorting out material and things for we bush cabin goes. We get through it a nice piece of work. But the sun going down. So it's time for we to go and set up a camp, sort up a campsite and thing and start with cooking and thing. Time to relax yourself in the bush. There we go. Ah, I forget.
Yeah, it's all here, but you have to hold it off. So. Come in, eh?
Yeah, come in there. A tarantula?
No. Maybe more too. Try nothing, huh?
The nice thing about this grill, it can move things off the heat. Now with food. Line is he could cook. Yes, sorry, Samika. I'm trying to see if I get to the light here. Alright, the one on top the grill is barbecue pigtail. The one inside the grill is a slab of beef. I don't know what I record from what I ain't record. We're in the wilderness. We are in the wilderness. This way make more sense, and yeah. Oh, we grill going. Let me tend to it. I don't want my thing, but I'll bring back all in a time, man. That's about done. That coming off now. That going inside there. And that's dinner. Oh crap. And that's dinner for tonight. You got through?
You know, you're talking about going to drive so late, till leaving 4 o'clock later.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, I know. Well, what's up? Nah, that's not. Let's take one piece. Take the bone, man. Now I want to do the beef steak.
With the microphone. Yeah, now take out a piece of beef. Okay, now my slow finish up on the fire there. How you smelling? Oh, nice, nice. Oh. What's that, Mamo? Okay, send that and drop it back, so. I'll cut off a little piece for sample. Oh. Cashew nuts on the grill.
But I lost your people.
We deal with our pigtail. Our pigtail come out real nice. Our pigtail tastes good.
So when you come back, you do
Oh.
but you know
It's about 9. Food done. Everything in order. When I finish roasting set of cashew nuts, we're gonna let our fire die down, cool off my blood, take a beer, head to the hammock. And then we camping. Then we overnight. I don't know what footage or what I get. We're not in Hollywood, we're in the bush. It's gonna be real, all I know that. Yeah. Alright, all you. You done eat? The food was nice. The pigtail lash. Everything was in order. We are about ready for bed. Tell me.
Cheers. It was really nice. Yeah,
Well,
yeah, Frankie. Cheers,
Yeah,
Frankie.
Frankie.
they
Cheers to
seen
that.
Frankie in the corner there. I tell you. Pitches leader. Over and
Just,
out.
just start thread.
Over and out. You gotta check back in middle of the night when animal make noise.
Sweet.
They tell you.
Yeah,
Alright, all good morning, folks. It is 5 a.m. Well, after 5 a.m. The sun ain't up yet, but the place bright. And we breaking camp. Hammocks already down, tarpaulin coming down. We breaking camp, we gonna organize ourselves, pack back up with stuff and look to head out of the bush. We're well tired. We do a nice piece of work yesterday. We make some nice progress as far as clearing and materials is concerned. With we bush camp, we make a nice camp out last night. We eat good, we sleep good. Jah bless our health and strength another day. So we're moving forward again. I know, I don't think I was able to film anything of substance really. I will see when I get home and I check the footage. Pitch black middle of the night. And thing taking place. They say no fancy thing, all they know it is be. As always, as our girl groggy. But it is what it is. It's real as ever, all I know that. Um, as always, I wanna thank you all. Hold on. I wanna thank you all for coming on this adventure with me, with us. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you had fun, hope you join me next time. Till then, I'll keep good and I'll just stay blessed. Ugly man out for you. I'll leave the camera running while I break the camp. Let me see what you do. Later, folks.